sit right here, but don't put your feet here and here on the middle posts. Ready? Okay, get off. Was that fun? The rain. Love you. Give me a hug again. Give me a hug. Give me a hug, Aiden. Not you, Taylor. You keep giving me hugs. It's just Taylor being wee-wee. Alright, love you guys. It is the morning. It is a gloomy morning, but still, welcome to another MotoVlog from Small Engine Velocity. So far, I have released my tachometer video for this bike, which is great because it's funny because I post that thing all over the place in every Ruckus nook and cranny that I can find. And it seems like everyone's like, did you finally get a Tach? Did you finally get a Tach? I'm like, yeah, I did. I'm sorry. It's sorry it took me so long, but yes, you are correct, and it was the thing to do. Because, you know, when I'm at this speed right now, I thought I was doing something more like, I don't know, 2200, 300, and you know, right now I'm idling at 1500 RPM. I don't know, it's just none of these numbers look like what I would imagine. I was imagining with my finely tuned butt dyno. Like right now I'm going, what, 19 miles per hour, and I'm at 6,000 RPM. I thought this was more like 4. I don't know. I guess that's just the way the cookie crumbles. Anyways, thank you for watching. Yesterday was supposed to be a live. Sorry. Yesterday was supposed to be a live video, but I had some family stuff come up Sunday afternoon, and I was making a super lasagna, and it took me forever, and I wanted to make sure that was completed, and plus, I made it. So I really, really, really wanted to eat it. I didn't want to wait. You know how lasagna is. Lasagna is like the best food that you can eat warm, but then like, I don't know why, but I could eat it like coldly sliced straight out of the fridge without warming it up. Is that weird? Is that weird? That's weird to me. Because I don't like leftovers, first of all. Does that make me spoiled? Maybe. I'm definitely not a spoiled... I'm definitely not a leftovers eater. Ask anybody in my family. Look, 25 miles per hour. And our school district has its own police department, Klein Police Department. I'm assuming their purview is anywhere there's Klein schools, or wherever kids go to Klein schools. Does that make sense? Like if you go to a Klein school, then that neighborhood or that street or that apartment complex belongs to the Klein department. So yeah, I'm also doing a Ruckus ride. I haven't done that in a while. I'm going to try to ride the Ruckus for the rest of this week. I know I still have some leftover projects for the Le. 5 N. 4 and 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 5 they're expecting content too. I don't want to leave them out. So I was thinking I might do not really every other week, but I'll do Ruckus videos in a surge, and then I'll do LaFawn videos in a surge. What I mean surge, I'll do like several of them in a row. You know, of course I'll mix it in here and there, but you know, when I got the LaFawn back, all my attention went away because there was so much stuff to do content on, and I kind of put her on the wayside. Sorry, but now she's good. We're working on her again. Now that I got the tachometer, there's all sorts of ways I can use the foil technique and all that stuff for tuning a little bit better. Because even with the 4 and the 5.5 gram weights, I think that my RPMs is a little bit high at 40. Like I'm already at 87 at 40, 88. Is that a lot? Should it be a lower RPM? I don't know. If someone could give me their RPMs, like I'm at 41 and I'm at 9,000. Okay, well, so when I'm at 44 miles per hour, I'm going about 9,400 RPM. Is that good? I have no idea. I don't know. Is that bad? I don't know. I have no idea. It could be. Who knows? All I know is that that's what I'm doing. So any of these Ruckus tuners out there, I am calling and asking if you could comment below what your RPMs are at what speeds, if you even have it recorded. I just want to know. I know everybody's different, but I'm pretty sure that the sweet spot and what RPM people are going on, there's a consistency to it. I'm just excited. I haven't done a Ruckus ride in a while. And then I was at 44 earlier. By the way, it's supposed to be like super rain today, but if you look at the sky, it's a bit orange, so there's some sun poking through somewhere in there. But we all know that doesn't mean anything in Texas. And super tuck mode. Hi guys, I'm very close to this camera. Very close to this camera. And I pretty much ran a red light. So another subject. I'm going to start the contest soon. I just haven't decided what I'm going to do as far as the contest, but I think I'm going to make a whole bunch of stickers. This Friday I'll buy some vinyl. I'll buy some vinyl, get some red, black, and white, and cut as many SEV logos as I can, and then make packs of stickers as prizes. Right? I mean, I think that'd be neat. I'll even make some other stickers that are not packs. I'll make some Ruckus ones too. Ruckus specific and LaFawn specific, which there's not that many LaFawn riders out there who are really going to want one, but I think if there's a LaFawn rider who watches YouTube out there, they're on my channel. Or at least I feel like they are. I just like contests. I like giving stuff away. I think I already went over my Christmas story about how I like to give stuff for Christmas. Super exciting, fun. It's cool when I get stuff, but I like giving stuff away. Trust me. I have to be careful. I'll have to spin myself broke, and there won't be anything left in my wallet. According to that flag, the wind is blowing against me. So 44 miles per hour, the wind blowing against me is not bad at all. I do think that I'm going to up the 4-gram weights in here a little bit more. Because I still think, what was it, 9,400? Was a bit high for 44 miles per hour. I'm actually passing somebody. That is hilarious. I'm only going 42. And look, I passed a car. Now I'm approaching a second one. It is a glorious day to be riding Ruckus because I've passed 2 vehicles. Until he realizes I'm passing him. Look, I passed out! Sorry guys, that was weird, but that doesn't happen very often. But I mean, 49cc, come on, give me a break. This is awesome for 49cc. By the way, my buddy Chris H from the Honda Ruckus group on Facebook finally got his mini fatty with a tire on it, and I'm uber excited about seeing it mounted because I want to do it. I think I have to miniaturize my front tire, but I want to do it. I think it looks super awesome. I know everyone keeps telling me do a regular fatty, but then that's a lot more meat for my 49cc to have to turn, so it seems like it's a bit much. I gotta get over to the left at some point in time. Alright, well, I'm at the light where I normally do my sign off. Because everything else over there is boring. So, I hope that you had a good hangout with me today. Ruckus riding. Anyone who has any input on what RPMs need to be where, yay, or what should I look for, please let me know. Be sure to like, subscribe if you'd like this kind of content, and comment. The number one thing that I like people to do is comment. And then when they comment, I can have a conversation, and I feel like I'm talking with the entire world. Anyways, thank you for watching again, and I will see everybody in the next video.